Hello everybody, I'm Kaz with Classic BMW Z, and today I'm working on my E90. This is my 2011 328i with the 3-liter N52 engine. And right now it doesn't run. So basically my starter died. I ordered a new starter, also ordered a bolt kit because they're one-time use. And I'll put all the parts in the description for you. So right now what I'm going to do is try to figure out how much stuff I have to remove to get to the starter and replace it. Alright, let's get into it. So this is the aluminum bolt kit. There's 2 bolts in there, and once again I'll put the parts in the description. But you're going to need these because they're one-time use and they'll probably break if you try to reuse them. And here's the starter. So I can just see it. It's under the intake manifold way in the back. Alright, let's see if you can see it. So right in there you can see the cable that hooks up to the starter. It's basically underneath the intake manifold. So we're going to have to remove all of this stuff to get access to everything. Pull the cover off and then we'll go from there. So since we're dealing with electrical stuff, I'm going to disconnect the battery and take my battery tender off just in case so we don't fry anything. So that's an E-Torx E18, 18mm Torx. Basically, I'm going to get this out of the way because we're going to have to take the intake manifold off. And this one is E14, E-Torx 14. Yeah, we'll just get it out of the way. We have a bolt here that holds the fuel rail line, so I'm just going to undo the bolt and let that loose. I'm going to move the air box out of the way and all this stuff because we're going to have to get in there. That's going to help. Disconnecting the air intake pipe. I'm going to unclip this if I can. Get it out of the way. There we go. Yeah, it looks a little dirty back there. I'm gonna disconnect, do a little cleaning since we're in here. There we go. Yeah, the backside looks really dirty. Okay, we got stuff attached to the bottom of it that we're going to have to loosen. Is it a T30? Let's see. It feels like it, yes. Okay. The back one's going to be even more fun. Here we go. Yep, Torx 30. Two of them so far. Pipes. Got a sensor here. Let's see if I can get that one up. Alright, that one's out. Alright, now we got the CCV pipes, which go right there. Yeah, that came off easy. There we go. Well, there it is. Intake manifold. Huh? Gaskets are still protruding. That's good. They're not totally flat. Let's see if I can get these a little bit out of the way. Okay. All right, we do a little cleaning before we go any further. Alright, let me guess the size. Let's try a 13. Oh, look at that, it's a 13. Alright, this is eTorx 14. So we'll try that and see. There we go. It's trying to move. All right. Oh, that back one's going to be interesting. Oh, that's a good sign. There we go. Whew. Man, that was a battle and a half. Okay, I ended up using a 12.11 millimeter. And that worked. There it is. Bosch. Yep. Do not strike with hammer. Too late. Alright, let's see if our new one fits in the opening. That would be a good thing. There's the new one. Wow. Like a glove. I'm gonna get our new bolts. I'll put those in. Alright, let's see if we can get this monster back in here. Might have to align everything just right. There we go. I think it's getting there. Okay, that's good. That should hold. I don't want to break them. Okay, there we go. Very gently. You don't want to press on that flap at all because this stuff's calibrated. There's a motor in here and sensors, and I'm just going around the perimeter very gently, getting the big stuff.
Right, we'll do 10 meters on these. Okay. Oh, there we go. So let's see, we got 1 and 1. And we got 2 and 2. Easy. Let's see if we can remember this that way.
All right, before I put anything else back, I'm gonna reconnect the battery and we're gonna see if it starts. Hopefully I didn't forget anything, but we'll find out. All right, I'm just gonna button everything back up now. So if you made it this far, the car color has changed. It's already outside, it's running great. Here's the old starter. I gotta look and see if these things can fix or not. Not something I've messed with yet, but you never know. In the meantime, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, drop a line in the comments, and then I'll put the parts in the description also. Thank you and have an awesome day.